Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this is the another part of Azure 104 certification. In this video, we'll learn about Microsoft Entra ID. While doing that, we'll learn about Tenant ID, how to create users, how to create a group, and how to put user in the group. And also we'll learn about how to give permission to the user or group through IAM, Identity Access Management. So without any delay, let's get started. First, let's go to the Microsoft Entra ID. So this is our tenant ID over here. Now let's go and create users. Review and create. So here one user is created. So let's go create another one as well. Finally, we have created two new user. Now let's go and learn how to create a group. Let's put a name. I'll put group IT. So our group is created. We haven't put any member or owner in the group. So let's do that. The member. We just add member and owner in the group. Until now, we learned how to create users and groups and how to assign members in the group. Now let's go and assign some resources permission to the user or group and test it. Here I'm going to use this resource which is called storage account. Under IAM access control, so here we are going to do is we are going to assign the permission to the user of the group of this storage account and test it whether that users of the group are able to see this storage account or not in their end. Let's check role assignments. So right now I'm the owner. So let's add role assignment. I want to give a reader permission for now of this storage account. To the group IT and the member inside it. What we have done is we have given the access of this storage account to the group IT and the people inside it. Now let's go and see whether the Suman, who is a member of this group IT, can see this storage account or not on his end. Let's go and copy his email address. Here we have to put a new password. Nowadays, Microsoft want us to put authenticator, so which is good for security. Let's go and do this. Let's go and scan this QR code on the phone if you have authenticator app. So I have just done it. Let's go and check whether someone can see the storage account that we have just given permission as a reader or not. And here is the storage account that he can see as a reader, but he cannot do anything on this. Let's go and try to add something. So let's go and create container if you can do or not. Let's put the container name as the image for now. Click on create. So here it says fail to create storage container because he doesn't have authorization to perform this action because he is accessed as a reader permission. So this is how we assign permission to the people on the resource level. So today we learned how to create users and group, how to assign the members in the group, and then also how to give permission to the group of the storage account or any resources of the Azure portal. So that's all for today in this video. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.